Hey guys, so you just want to start this routine by removing any leftover makeup from the day using a Neutrogena makeup remover wipe. You can get them from Walmart, Walgreens, anywhere that really sells makeup, or any pharmacy. Just gonna take it off, make sure none of it is left over before I begin. Next, I'm gonna go in with my micellar water, and I'm going to use a cotton pad and just wipe all over my face. Just gives me a little extra cleanse before I get into the good deep cleaning. Now we're going to get into the actual cleaning. I like to use the oil-free acne wash by Neutrogena. Gives me a nice deep clean. I've been using it for the past 3 months or 4 months, and it's done a lot for my skin. You're going to pump it one time, wet your hand, and apply it to your face. I wash my face for a minimum of 60 seconds every time. It just gives you a really deep clean, gets in your pores, gets all that dirt out of there. I'm going to do this facial for the next 3 days because I have a really bad breakout on my jawline right now. Now you just want to rinse your face off with warm water and pat dry with a clean towel. Next, we're going to go in with the oil-free acne wash daily scrub by Neutrogena. Squeeze the scrub onto your fingertips, add water, and apply to your face in an upward circular motion. I like to scrub for another minute or so. It gives me a really good exfoliation, really good clean feeling when I'm done. Rinse and pat dry your face, and then we're going to move on to our clay mask. For this mask, we're going to use Indian healing clay, turmeric, and apple cider vinegar. We're going to take 1 teaspoon of Indian healing clay, a half a teaspoon of turmeric, and 1 teaspoon and 1/2 of apple cider vinegar. Mix the 3 ingredients together using plastic utensils. Next, apply to your face using a brush. This mask is awesome. It pulls out toxins, gets really deep into your pores. Like this mask, when it starts to dry, you will feel it pulsating on your face. So it leaves your skin really fresh, really tight, your pores really small. And the turmeric helps to fade the dark marks that are already on your skin. Let the mask sit for 15 minutes, allowing it to dry, and then we'll come back and rinse it off once it does. Once you rinse off the mask, we're going to go in with our witch hazel. I use witch hazel as a toner. And in this case, it'll also help me to get off any excess turmeric mask. I go over my face with the witch hazel 4 times just to make sure I don't have any of it left on my face. Once I finish toning, I go over it with my oil mixture, which is just 1 part tea tree oil, 1 part vitamin E oil, and 1 part jojoba oil. And this has my skin so bright and so supple. I don't know what I've been doing without it. I will be doing this for the next 2 days, a total of 3 days. And I will be back to give you guys an update and let you know how my skin turned out. Thanks for watching. Bye.